Hey guys, this is CN eastbound coming right up that westbound. It's gonna go southbound. The westbound's the flag of southbound. Here comes the eastbound. This is train. The westbound turning southbound train 1. This is train 2. Here it comes. Yeah, it's coming. Here's my phone. What time it? 3:45. All right. Here it comes. Okay, it's going down. Oh, that bus stopped. Here comes the train. Here comes train number 2. Port Huron, Michigan. I think it was Port Huron, Michigan. CN M396 EB. Yeah, it's from a poster. It was on the first track from a poster. Here it comes. Port Huron, Michigan. Comes. CN M396 That's that double stack we've seen going northbound before. Cool. There's that school bus. He's going to the school bus. Nice. Yeah, this train from Poster. One stop. Westbound going turning southbound to Mount Stop. Train 1 is up. Mount Stop. Riding southbound into riding eastbound from Flint stop. So that happened. Yeah, this one's from Poster. It's cold, man. Another school bus. Oh God, alright, I'm gonna get back in the truck. I'm freezing. I'm gonna get back in here. Cool. Excuse me. Let me cut my phone. We freezing. Okay, so train 2 train 2 came at 3:50. Okay. Cool. Alright. Let's go. I don't see any 11s yet, but hold on, I just don't see any 11s yet. Look at that car home, look at that car home. See it yet? Norfolk Southern. See it yet? Norfolk Southern, Canadian Pacific. There's that new car home I'm talking about, Canadian Pacific. That's a brand new car, cool. Cold. This is at the first track. That's how you go. First double, that's the first track. road. I'm getting back in the truck. Alright guys. Alright guys, that's all for now. Alright guys, and that's the... hold on. Alright guys, see you back up at westbound. Oh, like you right on that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Just colored it.
There's the back of that. What? Alright guys, that's all for now. We're gonna try to find more if we can. Bye.